Hello there, everybody. Wanted to let you know I'm gonna try to do a video through the middle of the week as well. Every week, just to kind of give you an update on progress, where we're going to be headed to next, gear, things I've learned, things that we're going to do differently, that sort of thing. So one of the things that I definitely learned last time was I need to learn to tilt my camera up a little bit more so that I can get my face in it. I noticed a lot of the video footage last time was cut off my eyes, so hopefully we'll get that squared away. I'll show you the camera that I'm using. I'm not really sure why I misjudged it so much, but that will be, I'll clip that in here next. One of the things that I want to try to answer questions as I go along. One of the questions I feel like I might get is, what kind of camera am I going to be recording with? And the answer is one of these Cisco flip cameras. The reason that I chose this camera is because, well, we already had it. And I'm not going to spend the money on a GoPro, at least not yet. I don't like using my phone as a camera because it's not really that great of footage. But we do just happen to have one of these Cisco flip cameras, and that's what I'm going to be utilizing for our adventures. Next thing I'm going to show you is the backpack that I purchased. We'll go over that a little bit, which we'll do right now actually. So you can see here, this is an Outdoor Products backpack. I did purchase this from Walmart. I'm not a big Walmart fan because I think that a lot of their stuff falls apart pretty easily and pretty quick. But one thing that is interesting about this pack is it is guaranteed for life. So that's certainly interesting. Has a 47.5 liter capacity, which I thought was pretty interesting. Yeah, if we kind of maybe get it to stand up here and take a good look at it here. You can kind of see what that looks like. Anyway, the reason I wanted to show you this is because I am going to switch this out and start using this, switch out my old backpack, the one that I took on my first trip, and start using this. So, you know, you might say, well, Jeremy, you're just going on day hikes, you don't really need this. You know, really a big overkill. I get it. Here's the thing. I'm looking to burn off the weight. So I'm looking to put some weight in this, put some weight on my back, and carry it through the woods so I can burn off some additional calories. In the backpack, I'm going to actually put a tent and a sleeping bag, maybe a couple other things, a trowel or a shovel, as well as like a cooking system. So, the idea is, well, number one, to put some additional weight on my back to help burn off some calories, and number two is, hopefully we'll be able to do some overnight backpacking trips as well. And this is kind of some practice for that, and get myself ready for those types of things. So I believe over here in my camper that my stepson has a tent that I'm going to get, and we're going to start filling this thing up, taking the tags off of it, and getting it ready for this weekend. Hello everyone. I wanted to go through where we'll be hiking at this weekend. For this weekend's hike, I have chosen Hidden Rocks Trail. Its length is 3.3 miles. It's an out, small loop, and a return. So that'll be good. It's at Hone Quarry Recreation Area. Uh, One of the things I said in my last video was talking about the Forest Service website being a good place to find information on trails, but so is this VAWilderness.org. Um, has been an excellent source of finding trails as well, or at least finding out about the trails, how long they are, where they're at. As you see, it gives you directions on how to get to the trail. It gives you GPS directions. It rates the trail as moderate, which is good, um, and gives you some kind of generic information on hiking the trail itself, why they like it, what to look out for. It also comes with a map, which we can download and print off and take with us, as well as a couple pictures. Um, but anyway, wanted to clip in where we'll be hiking at this weekend. Again, that's at Hone Quarry Recreation Area. It's Hidden Rocks Trail, and it's 3.3 miles long, which, as you know, is a little bit of a step up from last week's hike. Last week's hike was 2.6. Um, so certainly looking forward to it. We're going to be hitting it this weekend, so please stay tuned.